How to link a credit or debit card on your PayPal account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily link up a credit or debit card on your PayPal account. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now let's jump into the video. The first thing you need to do is open up your web browser on your PC and then search for paypal.com. And from here, you are just going to go ahead and log into your account. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on login and log into my account. And once you are logged into your account, you'll have to set up your profile. And as you can see, I'm almost done. The only thing left to set up in my account is to link a card. So on the right side of your screen, you'll find this option, link a card. Just tap on this one. And from here, you have two options. You can either link your credit card, debit card, or you can also link your bank account. So the first thing you need to do is enter your card number. Make sure that your card is valid, and you can select your card type, whether it's a Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, or it could also be Union Pay. So let's say if I just add a MasterCard, here you'll have to enter your expiration date, and the format you do this is first you add the month and then keep a slash and then you add the year. And once the expiration date is entered, you can just enter your CVV or the security code, CSC code, and make sure that your billing address is correct. Then just tap on link a card and you'll see a green tick mark indicating that your card has successfully been linked. So it's as easy as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.